Today is going to be a good day because we're going down into New South Wales to do the hard enduro event. Just got the van loaded up now, nearly anyway. Just setting off now. Still got I think we've done everything we need to do, I think, but I guarantee we haven't. Stop number 1. Pick up McCarthy.
Do you have
Quick snack.
barbecue?
No. Have you got a barbecue?
I have one there, like.
We're off to a flying start here. We just realised that.
Instead of a 3-hour drive, we have a 5-hour drive.
Yeah. The update is
You shan't get us on that.
we've been flat stick for what? How long?
4 hours maybe.
7
hours.
tomorrow.
4 hours flat out, and apparently we have to be there by 7. And it's saying we're going to get there by what time?
7:50.
7:15. But we might be able to make it with the time. Hopefully we get there. Hopefully we don't have to sleep in our tent outside the gate. But we'll see how it goes. Made it. What have we got? How long?
Oh yeah. Good man. So here, just take 100 there.
Hey, like there's nothing to stop you getting in, is there?
Yeah, there's
Cool, alright, so you head up there. Oh yeah, you're just camping there, so you're all sorted.
So yes. So this is what happens when you hire a cheap rental van. There's a little bit of dust inside. Only a little bit. Ideal. Johnny, what have you got there?
2 Yorks and 1 8.
God, that's like hitting the golden ticket for you.
What's a bit of luck for tomorrow, lad?
So we just put our race numbers on, transponder, so that we know where we are and how fast we've been going laps. Looking fresh. Now these random dudes, he was too scared to get in, but now he's finally in. She's gonna go in a minute. There's the 2 wankers. Just finished the prologue. How was yours, Shawnee?
Fantastic, brilliant, great crack.
How was your prologue?
Sorry, lad?
How was your prologue?
Very good, man.
Yeah.
Except for the first lap.
I'm gonna die tomorrow, I think.
We're all day together.
Definitely. Just here now, waiting for the Gold Riders to start their prologue. It is, what is it, 1:30 now. They should be coming through any minute. See how the proper guys do it.
Girls wanna tie a kid down and keep me around, but I would never change. I'm a dog, I'm a hound, but I tell them what they wanna hear. They like how it sound till I'm gone with the wind and I'm lost, never found. I met her at my show, then we smashed right after. If we go 3 rounds, then she fall in love faster. Very next morning, I'm Casper in another city for a show, somewhere getting plastered. It's a disaster. To her, I'm a drug. I do her kinda dirt, but they still fall in love, and I don't understand it. Foreign chicks on me and she speak another language like she's from another planet. She struggle when I'm gone, it's hard when I leave. Me and Ricky can wear my heart on my sleeve, and she tell me that she love me, but it's not.
Oh, what a bollocks.
I mean, I come then I leave, and I swear I'm really not that shady, but you can't blame me for who I've met lately. Nowadays chicks wanna call it get baby as soon as they find out I rap shit's crazy, but I do play along, I can't front. I give in to every movie with a fat butt. London to Japan, Hong Kong to Iran, chicks say
What a
I'm
cunt.
mad.
Jesus Christ, man.
He's Harry, they have his work cut out in that silver, mate.
Just push the cunt up. Oh, steaming, man.
How you got that up there? You're a professional rider, mate.
No, I'm not. I'm fucking 68 years old next month.
And you're still doing it. Look at that.
We need to help each other, man, otherwise I won't get up.
Can you say that in English, please?
Go on, lad.
Yeah, number 1 in the bronze rider.